What's up, guys? I am back with another video. Today will be a very quick video. I'll be teaching you guys how to gather tulle for a prom dress or any gown that you will need gathered tulle for. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I did it, stay tuned. So first things first, you want to go ahead and kind of lay your tulle out a little bit. So you want to make sure that as the tulle comes on the bout, it is doubled. So if you want a shorter tulle look, you can just leave it how it is on the bout and sew on the fold. But if you want it to be a little bit longer, you can take them apart, which I'll show a little bit later in the video, and just sew on one end of the tulle. Now, as you can see here, we're just kind of gathering, we're pushing up, we're pushing up, we're pushing up. And as you can see right now, I'm not sewing. So we're just pushing up, sew a little bit, kind of organize our fabric a little bit more, and then we're pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. Now, a big tip for me is I like to just go ahead and unroll the whole bolt. If I know that it's going to be a ball gown, I usually use maybe around 2 bolts of 40 yard. I don't remember exactly what the width was, but I'll definitely put it on here. But I know it's about 40 yards. I use 2 of those. So right at about 80 yards for the gown that I have here on the screen. And I like to just go ahead and unravel the whole bolt and put the extra behind my chair and then just have it kind of streamlined coming up the side of me. It just seems to make it a lot easier. It makes the process continue and I don't have to keep getting up and readjusting the fabric. And this is just more of a close-up view of exactly what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm just going ahead and just pulling that fabric up. I'm basically just gathering that fabric with my hand. Now, a lot of people like to do a very loose stitch and then just pull the stitch, but I seem to always break the thread when I do that. So this is the best way that works for me, just kind of gathering it by hand. Now I will say your thumb is going to be killing you. Like you're gonna have like some things going on with your hand that you never had going on before. But definitely it's definitely worth it. It definitely gives you that really big, beautiful ball gown, puffy bottom, the tulle that we all know and love. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I am working on being more consistent with my videos, guys, so just be patient with me. Stay tuned and please keep watching.